Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about carry-on baggage. For those who have not seen my video on check-in baggage, I request you to have a look at it. I have added link in the description box and also above. Also, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. So let's get started with the video without any delay. So first, what is carry-on baggage? Carry-on baggage is that baggage which you take along with you in the plane and which is kept on the top compartment of your seat. But for that also there are particular specifications which you need to clarify with your airlines. Like I travel in Aeroflot Russia and there are specifications that I can carry my laptop bag and together with it 7 kg of my carry-on baggage. Once you have clarified the specification with your airlines, we are ready to pack. The first important thing which we should not forget are our important documents. These documents are passports, our invitation letter if we have any, then our work contract, then the route map and place of stay. I am telling route map because once you land at the airport, you should have rough idea where you are going to go. So please take route map with you. Electronic items like your phone, your charger, your laptop charger, your laptop and its different accessories, power banks, everything need to be kept in your carry-on baggage because at the security center they will be taking your all electronic item in a tray and then they will be doing the security checks. So it's better to keep all the electronic item in one bag. The third most important thing which you should carry on with you is the currency of the country because at the airport if you buy anything then you will be requiring that currency. Also if you have forex card then do not forget to keep that in your carry-on baggage. The next important thing which you can take in your carry-on baggage is food items like biscuits, parathas, some dry vegetables because inside the airport everything will be very costly. So better on the safe side take the food items which you will be requiring from first day or at the airport to eat. Also if a baby is traveling with you then you get special allowances. So you can check with your airlines, then you can keep your baby food, fruits for your baby. The next most important thing which you should not forget are your makeup items because in the makeup items some items will be liquid. Liquid you can carry up to 100 ml. It does not mean that the bottle is of 200 ml, it contains 100 ml, then they will allow. It specifically means that it should not be more than 100 and it's always better that you keep all your makeup item in one pouch because if there is something doubtful then you can give your pouch and they can check it. So do not forget to keep your toothpaste, toothbrush and small comb because if there are layovers then it will be essential. Now the other important thing are your pair of clothes. Always remember to keep 1 to 2 pair of clothes because if your check-in baggage gets missed by the airlines then for 1 to 2 days it is helpful for you that you can wear something or the other. So these were the important things which you should never forget to keep in your carry-on baggage. Now at the end I will give you some useful tricks and tips which you can take some extra luggage with you. So number 1, always take a water bottle with you but not full because if it's full then the security counter will take your water bottle. So always take a water bottle that is empty. So once you are through the security check you can fill your bottles at the tap water available inside the airport. Second, if you are carrying valuable items like gold jewelry with you, always carry limited jewelry and this jewelry you can wear it so that there is no problem in the custom. So the third important thing, you can carry your sweaters, your heavy jackets in your hand or you can wear it and after going in the plane you can remove it and keep it on the compartment above. And for that the fourth important thing is you should carry an empty bag in your baggage and after you remove your jackets and everything you can make another bag out of it. And the fifth, the most and the last important point, in your laptop bag also you can carry some of your weight, approximately 1 to 2 kgs you can place in your laptop bag, because they will not be checking your laptop bag or they will not be taking the weight of your laptop bag. So 1 to 2 kg you can spare it there also. So these were some of the important tips and tricks where you travel easily with your carry-on baggage. Before going, if someone has still doubt about how they will be checking the specification of hand luggage, here is an example of Air India baggage. Go to address bar of your web browser, write Air India baggage. It will directly take you to check-in baggage page of Air India. After page opens, the first option you can see is hand luggage, and after clicking on it, you can see the dimension of the baggage and also how much weight is allowed. Also keep in mind the weight varies as per different classes, like in economy class there is 8 kg and for business class it says 12 kg. Also below some important guidelines are given which you can follow. For different airlines you can go similarly to their homepage and check their specifications. I hope you like my today's video, and if you like my today's video then do not forget to share with your friends who are planning to come to Germany. If you still have queries then feel free to ask me in the comment box. I will be happy to answer all your questions. At the end, I wish you happy and safe journey. Bye.